Hey everyone, welcome to the show. Here we are, the Triumph Tiger 800 XRT, purchased for just under £5,000. And now I've got all the kit on it. I thought I'd just show it you. 2016. Lovely looking bike. Actually, we're actually going out to fill the bike up, but you'll not get that far because the petrol station is ages away in Market Drayton, currently on the outskirts of Eckershaw in Staffordshire. So I'm going to take this out for a ride. I've not really been out for a proper ride, but I do need to go and see what she's like. Yeah, the weather's been awful, to tell you the truth. I sold the Triumph Bonneville T120 and got this here. Tiger 800. Let me say hello to you. Hello everyone. Hope you're well. How the devil are you? Hope you're riding safely. Hope you're enjoying the videos. This video comes out on Sunday the 9th of November, which means we're going to be talking about this RideIron jacket, but more importantly the new RideIron heated gloves. Let me get them on. These heated gloves, unlike other YouTube channels who didn't ask the right questions, are advertising these gloves and they're not yet available. Well, they are today. So, and I've told you in previous videos that they don't come out until the 8th of October. This video goes out on the 9th of October. Hopefully there's a link in the description. If not, there will be a link in the description over the next couple of days and you can go and purchase them. They're currently $152. I'm going to convert that to UK pounds. $152 minus 10% via my link, which brings it down to $135 or thereabouts, just a bit more, which is equivalent to about £102. I'm going to go on the cautious side. I'm going to say for £110 you're going to get these gloves. Let's go and test them out. They're already switched on to a medium heat on this very, very cold Sunday morning, and my nose is sniffing because it's so bloody cold. So do excuse me. I'm not going to keep on apologising. I can't help it. I'm riding in the middle of winter for you, so that you can learn from whatever mistakes I make. It's so cold. So cold. Right, let's get on this Tiger 800. We'll talk about the Tiger 800 and we'll also talk about the RideIron jacket and why they're such good value for money. I've been working with RideIron now for over a year. And they keep on sending me kit to test, and I help them review it, and I give them feedback, and they keep on sending me more and more equipment, and it's a really good relationship. I then share that knowledge with you because the prices are unbelievable. This beautiful jacket, which is in orange, which matches the Triumph Tiger, is less than £100. 5-point safety across the jacket. It's absolutely brilliant. It's less than £100. These are really good value for money. Yeah, this is an autumn, winter, spring jacket, so it's nice and warm. And it is nice and warm, even though I have my heated jacket on underneath. RideIron, you need to create your own heated jacket. Right, hang on, before we set off, let me get my helmet sorted out. Here we go. Here we go. Hopefully that's recording. I have no idea if it's recording or not. Hopefully so. We'll find out soon. Are you still with me? Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. It would be really appreciated. You can see the fuel light is on. That's why I'm going to the fuel station. Visor down. Heated grips on, heated seat on. Never owned a bike with a heated seat, but it's absolutely wonderful. Oh my goodness. Yep, I keep on wearing this. Helmet from Shark, and it's absolutely crap. Shark, get in touch with me. Something went wrong with this helmet. My goodness, it's bloody freezing. So I've got my heated gloves on, the RideIron heated gloves. These are new. They've got 4 settings: high, medium, low, and intelligent setting, which basically takes the ambient temperature outside and gives you heat according to what the glove thinks it should be. And these are a great Christmas present. Both the jacket and the gloves are of such a price where they make a really good Christmas present. These gloves are not £200 and require a jacket to run them. They're not silly money. The jacket is less than £100. A good quality jacket costs £250, but not from RideIron, and they do brilliant stuff. In effect, half the price of all the other manufacturers. And they're brilliant. Brilliant Christmas presents, affordable Christmas presents. Get yourself ordering via the links in the description. There will be a specific link to these gloves and a link to all the jackets and everything else. Go and order yourself some. Oh, let's come down. It is 30 in here. So I'm on the Triumph Tiger 800 XRT, and I bought this a few days ago for less than £5,000. It's got full service history, and as a service, if you are in the local Staffordshire area and you are looking for a second-hand bike, feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me via the email on the channel. All you need to do is go to the channel homepage and you should be able to see my email address. Just reach out to me and we'll find out what bike you want, and I'll find a good bike for you. And then when we've found the right bike and we arrange a visit, we will negotiate the price. And hopefully you shall get great value for money. And let's understand it, winter time is always the best time to buy a motorbike. It really is. You always get the best value. Sadly, it's a case where people are coming up to Christmas and they need to sell their motorcycle to pay for the kids' Christmas presents. And this period where it's a great time to buy motorbikes goes actually all the way through to about February or March, because then you get on the other side of Christmas, and people are then paying off the Visa debts where they bought the Christmas presents on Visa. Absolutely wonderful. And I'm there trying to sell you a RideIron jacket and RideIron heated gloves. I've done loads of heated gloves with RideIron and they are absolutely brilliant. I've done a couple of jackets with them, absolutely brilliant. Absolutely wonderful. They are really good quality, for the right price, not an elevated price. Over the next year, hopefully I'll be working with them even more. That's my intention. That is my intention. Tiger 800 rides like a dream. 22,000 miles on the clock. Full service history. Absolutely wonderful. I need to just double check the front calipers because the front brake is not as sharp as I thought it might be. But that's not a problem. I'll create a video on that in the future. And that's an easy job. You could do this job yourself. You really could. 60 mile an hour for just over 4,000 RPM. I've got the heated seat on and it is quite warm, so just turn it down to its other setting. Make it a little less hot, and absolutely terrific. Heated seats are lovely. If you've never had a heated seat, they're absolutely wonderful. I could have bought well, it's less than £5,000. With that £5,000, I could have bought a brand new Royal Enfield and things like that, or you know, the GB 350, but I didn't want that. I wanted something that I could really go touring on like I normally do. I know my touring videos don't get many looks at all, but it's irrelevant. I'll not be making any more touring videos, that's for sure. It doesn't get any traction at all. So you can see here, this is the mount for the Auchi BX screen. I haven't fitted it yet. I haven't had time. I've been too busy at work. Like most of us on YouTube that have a YouTube channel, we also work as well. So hopefully you'll appreciate that. But yeah, if you're looking for a new bike in readiness for 2026, not a new bike, a second-hand bike, and you need help, reach out to me. Reach out to me. It's always about asking the right questions and looking over the detail of the bike to make sure it's not being on its side or anything. Give them a wave. This is Loggerheads. Loggerheads in Staffordshire. I used to live up that road, and before I went and bought the farm, and then the ex-wife got all the farm and everything. In fact, well, she got absolutely everything. I walked away with a PCP car and nothing else. This also has automatic indicator stop feature. There we are. It stopped automatically. It's a nice, comfortable bike with its 19-inch front wheel. It really does roll into the corners beautifully. And if you're thinking about getting one, maybe you should. RideIron gloves. I'm going to pull in here. I'm going to bring the video to a close. Let me just pull in. Oh. Just pulling on here. Oh, let me get off. Let me take these off. Oh, lovely gloves. It's bloody freezing. Absolutely freezing. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Oh, goodness me. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. RideIron jacket, RideIron gloves. Go and order them in the description below. And I think you'll enjoy them. I really do. I think they're great. I've been working with them for a year now. And over a year, actually. And they're a great company, great products. The Tiger 800. Absolutely wonderful. I'll see you soon. Ride safely. Bye-bye.